Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit. I know you guys are like, it's so dark. I'm actually in the car headed to IKEA to grab a few things for my nail room, and I was just having this discussion. Bae is with me, or hubby is with me, I should say. Husband is always with me. I'm having this discussion with him about, you know, picking chairs for myself and the client. So I just thought that this would be a nice video for you guys to kind of just tune in and give your feedback and comment down below, stuff like that. So me and hubby were discussing getting chairs for myself and for my clients. So I was saying that I want my chairs to be cute and comfortable, which I do. However, sometimes you can't find both. So I can't find a cute chair and it's comfortable. So I was saying, like, do I sacrifice? And then I was explaining to him that if I saw this nail tech on Instagram, or I saw her in person and I saw her nails and her nails were bomb, and I wanted to get my nails done, how would I know what type of chair she has for me to come get my nails done? Ultimately, hopefully it would be a comfortable chair, but sometimes it might not be a comfortable chair. I wouldn't know, because ultimately I'm just coming to get my nails done because I'm like, damn, she could do some really good nails. So I guess the question is do I have to sacrifice? Do I have to sacrifice getting a cute chair? Or do I'm probably not saying this right. Do I just go to the client without knowing what type of chair they have and be like, oh, this chair is cute, but then it turns out not to be comfortable? Am I willing to sacrifice being uncomfortable for an hour because they could do some bomb ass nails? And then hubby was like, no, you want the client to be comfortable over it looking cute, right?
That's just like a road trip almost. Like, you're excited about the road trip, you want to go on the road trip, but you're not finna fucking rent no small ass Honda ass Civic for no fucking road trip. You gotta drive 10 hours away. Man, you gonna want something that's roomy, that's comfortable, or you ain't gonna go on the next road trip with that person. Am I right? Am I wrong?
I can understand that, because that is true. That's for hours and hours and hours. I mean,
but you're sitting in the chair for an hour uncomfortably. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on.
True. So if your nail tech has an uncomfortable chair, but they can do some bomb ass nails, would you continuously go to that client?
Or better yet, if you got back problems, you're like, can you swap this chair out for me? Think about it. You're not gonna want to keep sitting in that same chair. I don't care how good you is.
And see, that's what I'm saying. Do we make sacrifices to, you know, say, yeah, the chair's uncomfortable, but my nails is on fleek and they on point.
Your nails are on fleek and on point, but when you get home, damn, my back hurt. My back is killing me. So, babe, can you give me a back rub?
So then
all from that fucking chair in an hour in that chair. Nah.
So that would stop you from going to the client. I mean, going back to your nail tech.
I wouldn't want to go back unless she had a comfortable chair. I'm gonna keep it real.
Okay, so viewers out there, talk to me. What you think? Do you sacrifice, or
hey, what's the saying, man? Customers always right, or something like that. Man, in this case, customers or whoever, clients, you gotta hook them up, man.
I mean, that's true. That's why I said I want something cute and comfortable. But obviously, I can't find cute and comfortable at the same damn time. I can't. So therefore, I'm just gonna have to settle for comfortable. But in my heart, I know I just don't want to settle for just comfortable. I want both.
Okay,
but I guess I just have to keep looking.
She don't want her clients to keep coming back then.
No, I do want my clients to come back. That's why I said I have to keep looking. Because I'm gonna insert a picture here in the next clip.
Like your sister said, it looked like a dining room chair.
cute, but it makes the nail room. That's what I'm saying. Let me know what you guys think.
Well, you sit in it then. You bad and you sit in it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me know what you guys think. I am about to continue going to IKEA. Maybe I'll vlog once I get an IKEA just so you guys can see. I'm upgrading my nail table. And then I have to find chairs. So I'll probably end up going to Office Depot, Office Max to look at some chairs, but not today because it's super late.